This 2022 Highland Ridge Open Range 364 BHS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Highland Ridge is 39 feet 7 inches in length and features a boardwalk interior, sleeps 8, LP detector, self-contained, water heater, skylight, microwave, slide-out, air conditioning, spare tire kit, TV antenna, smoke detector, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, loft, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Highland Ridge Open Range 364 BHS is 11,337 pounds. This 2022 Highland Ridge Open Range 364 BHS. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.